Hello friends, good day to you all. Every health insurance policy has certain standard permanent exclusions. One such exclusion pertains to diagnostic tests. When a person undergoes diagnostic tests for the purpose of evaluation of the condition, right, and that does not lead to any hospitalization, it's only for evaluation purpose. Somebody goes to a doctor and then gets some evaluation done and some diagnostic tests are done, and this is not admissible for reimbursement. No claim will be paid for such evaluationary diagnostic tests. So one must understand this is a standard permanent exclusion in any health insurance policy.